talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Truecaller app. So you just follow these ways on your app. So then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, just go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you a list like this here. You go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on message in here, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to next step here. You go down, just keep going down here. You come here to SMS delivery reports, clicking this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone, that's mean it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.